Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of VirtualBox in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. VirtualBox is a powerful virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for VirtualBox download in your preferred search engine. Go to downloads in virtualbox.org. Click on the Linux distributions link. Now click on the download link of your Linux distribution. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the downloaded package. Enter the installation command sudo dpkg -i VirtualBox package name. Provide your password and press enter. You may get a package processing error. To fix the error, type the command sudo apt install -f and press enter. Wait for the process to complete. VirtualBox is successfully installed. To open VirtualBox, go to Menu and search VirtualBox. Click on the VirtualBox menu.